Do you have dreams but nothing in reality? Or are you feeling frustrated by it? Or how long you want to be in this state? If these questions disturb you, then this video is just for you, friends. Today I am going to share how to get breakthrough from these questions. So be with me till the end of this video, because in this Think and Grow Rich NLP way, we are going to learn powerful thing today, and that's the 3 secrets to convert your desire into wealth. I still remember a time when I had a desire of writing a book. The book was ready, but I was thinking like I will have this book self-published, because if I will go to the publisher, I have to go for minimum 3,000 copies, and that will be a lot of investment for me. So I decided to self-publish it, and I just found out that each book will cost me 50 rupees, sorry, 30 rupees. So I decided that I will sell it for 50 rupees. So it's a good profit, right? 40% of profit. 30 rupees is the cost, and you are getting 20 rupees per book. So it's almost 66% profit. So now see now how procrastination starts. So I was thinking that if I was trying to sell it in India. So if a city nearby my city, say 50 to 100 kilometers, then I can send the book if they buy with courier charge or mailing charge as 10 rupees at that time. I'm talking about approximately 10 years back. But if what will happen if somebody from away town, like say 300 400 kilometers, at that time courier charge was almost double, because it will ask for 20 rupees per courier. And what if from the other end of the country somebody is going to purchase that book, then it might cost me 60 to 70 rupees, even more than the price of the book. Then how I am going to sell it? So because of this silly, because of these stupid questions, I didn't publish my book at that time. But fortunately, I am learning NLP since 1996. So I did so many NLP programs. Till date, I did 16 NLP programs, including 4 train the trainers. Sorry, now I have about to reach 6 train the trainer programs. So what happened? I learned a lot of things. So a few years back, when I again decided to publish my book, actually right now I have published 6 books on Amazon, and again I am going to publish 3 more books in this month. So I am publisher of 9 books within a month. But what happened when I decided to publish my book? But now I am equipped with knowledge of NLP, with knowledge of NLP marketing secrets, which is another series running on live videos. So what I did is, it was only a small book, 48-page book, and this time instead of 50 rupees, I priced my book as 5,000 rupees. Yes, 100 times more. Yes, cost is same. It was actually now cost is also 30 rupees per piece, but I am pricing it at 5,000 rupees and 100 rupees for courier charges, because now I know who is going to buy it, because now I am very much clear with the business strategies and all, right? So what happened? First 3 years of that publishing, see, 100 rupees. Earlier I was thinking of charging 20-30 rupees per courier and 50 rupees per book, so total was 80 rupees. But now I am charging 100 rupees only for courier. So courier charge is much more than my book and courier together, earlier what I was thinking. But the surprising to me was That book was selling worldwide, USA, UK, Russia, Japan, Switzerland, everywhere. It was selling like anything. And for 3 years, all the expenses of my home were from this book only. And it was not, it is selling today like anything. And if you want to check, you can just check on Amazon and write down Hitesh Parmar. You will find my books there, and you will find the costlier version for other people, but most proper version for me, right? So how it becomes possible, how you can convert your desire into wealth, right? So actually it was 6 steps in the book. If you read Think and Grow Rich, you will find it is 6 steps. But actually I read this book many times and it was very much confusing for me. Like uh, you know it was very vague, and when something is vague, you will not understand, you will not take action, and you will feel procrastination, right? So I am using my NLP over here, and what I am doing is I am redefining that 6 steps into 3 secrets. And when you will learn this, you will find it amazing, and you can easily implement it, right? So what you are going to do is, see, I just do one thing before this video. You can also read the chapter so that you can understand how simplified now this is. So there are 6 steps. Instead, now there are only 3 secrets, and that is crystallize. Crystallize means make it very clear. So crystallize, strategize means decide your strategy. Crystallize, strategize, emotionalize means involve your emotions, right? How? So to make it crystallize, again, every step has 2 pairs. Like crystallize has 2 pairs of get and give. Receive something, give something. Same way, strategize also have 2 pairs. When, how. When, the date, and how, action plan. And emotionalize also have 2 pairs. Write and read. Write something, read something. Very simple. So in crystallized phase, if you will understand get, so you need to define what exactly you want to get, right? Be very clear. Don't become vague, because our neurology, our 86 billion neurons don't understand that what is vague in our mind. So be very clear, be very precise, and define exact amount. Say, you cannot say like I want plenty of money, I want more money, I want to be rich. What is rich? So you need to define it very clearly. Or you can say I want to earn 1 million, or I want to earn 1 billion. That's okay, but be very clear. Same way in the give stage. See why this give stage is over here. See friends, there is no free lunch in this world. It is not going to happen that you will get a lottery ticket, or somebody of your relative will donate you this, or it is not going to happen. So be ready, because see, this is also a pre-sales techniques. If you see somewhere, get my free ebook, or get my free workshop worth rupees 15,000, get this free book worth rupees $10, whatever, right? And people will buy, even if they don't need, they will get it because it is free. And this is the psychology, and this is also actually a subject of economics, behavior economics. And if you want to read more about it, you can definitely read Dan Ariely. I don't remember the book name, but perhaps it's on irrationality. It's a wonderful book. You should read it. Anyways, let's come back over here. So this never look for something which is free, right? There is no free lunch in this world, right? So basically it is not like, nah, there is no something like something for nothing. So you should give something in return. I mean, what is that you are going to give in return If you want to get exactly say 1 million of dollars or 1 billion of dollars, whatever, right? Decide it. Second step, strategize. Here you should decide when, right? If you see, there are jargons like goals and dreams. These are the terms. But what is the difference between goal and dream? Friends, let me tell you what I learned long back is a goal, a goal is a dream with a date. A goal is a dream with a date, right? It is as simple as that. So give perfect date. I am not perfect means I am not talking about perfection, but perfect means very specific date, month, and year to goal. So decide that when exactly you want that money with date, month, and year, everything. You cannot say like after 5 years, or I want it on 28th, but 28th of which month? You might say I want it on 25th December, but 25th December of which year? So you need to define everything, right? And the second pair, second part of the pair in the strategize is how. See, 95% of the businesses fail in first 5 years. 95% business fails. Why? Why people fail? See, people fail not because they plan to fail, but people fail because they fail to plan. They don't make a plan of what they do exactly step by step. So you decide in this step that exactly how are you going to get it? What will be your strategy? What will be your action plan? So write down step by step action plan and put it into action, right? Not only write down, because otherwise what will happen? Nothing is going to happen. And the next step, that's the final step, is emotionalize your goal. See friends, if you are not going to emotionalize your goal, nothing is going to happen, right? Because our mind learn and understand only one language, and that's emotion, right? So the first step in this is write. So now write down your intention statement. Write down everything we decided in the steps above. See, this is very easy now. So you need to remember only four things, because now you are writing down that four things, right? So write down those four things. Write down what specific amount of money you want to get, then what are you going to give in return. Then again, this was the crystallized part. Now strategize part, where date, month, and year to your goal. And second, action plan, and put it into action, right? Step by step action plan. So you are ready up to now. Now the final step, second step of emotionalize is read. Write and read. So in the read part, what we are going to do is read whatever you have written, right? Everything. Read it daily, right? Daily read it, but read it daily twice. See here, there is principle of subconscious mind, because we are using this idea NLP way. So what happens? Read it daily, read it twice a day, but when? So in the morning and in the night. In the morning, when you are about to wake up, you are in a dizzy state, and in the night when you are just little dizzy and about to sleep, at that time you should read these statements, because at that time your mind will be into alpha state of mind, and it will go directly to your subconscious mind, and it has greater chances of manifestation. So, but very important step which you should not miss over here is now emotionalize it, right? So feel your goal, believe in your goal, believe that you are having that money with you. Feel the power of money, feel the joy of that money, feel the happiness of having that money, feel the pride of having that money, right? emotionalize it. So how you can emotionalize it? So if you apply NLP to this, then use your maximum senses. So in NLP, it's VAK. V for visualize, A for auditory means listen to the sounds, and K for kinesthetic means use your body. So see that you are getting those money, you are getting that money in your account or cash, whatever you feel like. Hear the sounds, hear the voices. People are telling you, wow, you are rich now, you have lots of money now, anything you want to hear, and feel feel happy, feel joyful, feel pride. Okay, so this is the emotionalized version. So we are about to complete, but before that, I want to give you empowering question, and think over it and write down the answers in your notebook or in the comment box. Like how much do you want to make per month? Are you okay with per year or per month? Because suppose for somebody per year amount is okay, but for few others per month is okay. But per month is more better option, because if you think per year, it seems 12 months away. But if you think per month, it seems only 1 month away. The best is if you can think per day. In that case, you will be more aligned with your actions. Anyways, uh, what exactly will you do to get that amount? Right? Write down. Also, when exactly you want it. So write down this date and month and year. And is it practical and possible to get that amount by this time? Means whatever date you are writing, is it really possible? That's also check it out. Same way, how exactly will you get it? Like who is going to help you? What you will do and what others will do for you? Are there other people involved, or only you are the person who is involved? Right? Same way, how to write so that it generate emotions. So while writing, think about it, how to write it so that it will generate emotions. Feel it. And now you are ready to read it and ready to get transformation. Right? So this was all about Think and Grow Rich NLP way, and 3 secrets to turn your desire into wealth. So see you later into the next episode of Think and Grow Rich NLP way. Bye for now.